Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today's video I'm opening up both of the day 13s in the advent calendars. Guys, since yesterday's video, that's when we got a table full of snacks from the Guardians and Voldemort from Harry Potter. But let's get into opening the 13th day. And it's Mantis. And today's box had this Mantis figure. Actually a pretty nice figure. Starting from the bottom, going to the top. No leg printing, which I'm kind of disappointed about. Her accessory is just really nice blue guitar. No printing on it, but it's got that little clip down there so you can hold it. Moving that out of the way, you can see she's got this nice green, black, kind of blue torso. It looks pretty nice. No printing on the arms, but it's also like there are no sleeves on the arms either. And then removing, well, I guess like, and then her hair is like this. It's a pretty nice hairpiece actually. It's a rubber kind of hairpiece. I thought it would be plastic actually. It's got her antennas, and then this face was also used on Poison Ivy. And then a little hard to take off. Alright, I got it off, and it's the same kind of print on the back, but there's like this triangle thing there, and it's got the angry face on the back. And I think that's about it for the Mantis figure. Alright, for the Harry Potter one, like I was saying yesterday, we are into the Order of the Phoenix. This is our first one in the Order of the Phoenix. And what in the world is that? Oh gosh. Is this even Harry Potter? I have no idea what this is. Guess I'll build it and see what it is. Alright, so I'm pretty sure that this is the room requirement. Like, it was so confusing at first, and like you put it together and you're like, oh, it's the requirement. It's a pretty nice build. I think this is one of those training dummies, and there's like those blue window things. And this might be like the fireplace from the room requirement. It's a pretty nice little build. But I'm kind of confused because like the way they're doing these movies is to start from the beginning and go to the end. So, and this was in like the middle of the movie. So, and it's a nice build, but like, I'm glad they put the room requirement in here. I think that's it for Harry Potter. Alright, a review of what we got today. We got this Mantis, oops, I keep knocking her over. Got this Mantis figure with a nice blue guitar and a part of the room requirement. It was a pretty nice turnout today. And tomorrow we'll be opening up the 14th day in both of these advent calendars. And make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. See ya.